Is your skin aging faster than you? Here's a green tea face mask that can help in its reversal. So without much ado, let's get started and see how to prepare it. Start by taking 2 teaspoons of green tea in a small mixing bowl. Green tea contains polyphenols that help in fighting the free radicals present in the body and making you look youthful and glowing. It also reduces wrinkles and fine lines from your face to make it smoother naturally. Then take 1 teaspoon of rice flour and add it to the mixing bowl. Rice flour is rich in anti-aging and antioxidant properties that promote skin whitening and brightening. Go ahead with adding 2 vitamin E capsules to the mixture. Vitamin E helps in controlling dryness and makes your skin supple and moist. Then go ahead with adding 1 teaspoon milk. Milk is filled with excellent hydrating and cleansing properties, and it helps in reducing acne, scars, and further makes your skin look even toned. Now that all the ingredients are added, mix them well to form a flowy paste. Then, after giving it all a good mix, apply the mask on. Gently massage initially and then leave it on your skin for about 10 to 12 minutes. Rinse with cold water and apply this mask 2 to 3 times a week for more purified and youthful looking skin. This mask must be applied when fresh and must not be stored for longer than 5 to 6 hours. Otherwise, the ingredients might lose their properties. If you use this for a month as directed, you will be able to see visible change in your skin health and your charm too. So try this mask for desirable, youthful and beautiful skin. If you like watching this video, then like, share and comment down below.